Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my DEWALT jigsaw tool set. I've been wanting to add a jigsaw to our tools for a specific project, and I'm really loving this DEWALT jigsaw so far. This jigsaw's compact size makes it very easy to hold and move the tool around, giving us maximum control while cutting. Also, the variable speed trigger and the dial helps with speed control as well. The brushless motor really improves the performance efficiency compared to those tools without it. And it also has a longer runtime, which makes it perfect for more complicated projects. I really like the keyless lever action feature, which makes it convenient to do blade changes. And the integrated dust blower is very helpful to be able to see what I am cutting. Because this is an entire kit, not just a tool, it makes it very convenient because you already have the battery, charger, and the bag all in one with the tool. And don't forget to grab extra blades for your project as well. So if you are looking for a high-quality cordless jigsaw from a reputable and trustworthy brand, you will definitely want to check this out.